Good day, everyone. Welcome back. On this page, we look at solving mathematical questions and physics questions. If you want to see more of our videos, you can go to our YouTube channel showing on the screen, our Instagram page showing on the screen. Thank you. So previously, we looked at quadratic equation using factorization method. But today, we want to look at using formula method that people usually refer to as almighty formula. So let's go. The question remains the same. Don't forget I said we are solving the same question using this four method to see if we are going to arrive at the same answer. So the question says we should find the value of x in x squared plus 2x minus 3. Now this is my question that I have repeated on the board. But these two I have written, this one is the general quadratic equation. This general quadratic equation is what it is used to find the solution of x. They made use of completing the square method to solve this question. At the end of the day, the final answer gave them x to be minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now these two things we need it in solving our question if we are to use formula method. Do you understand? I need my general quadratic equation and I also need the solution that they get after making use of completing the square method to solve it. So let's go. Looking at my equation, so I have x squared plus 2x minus 3. Now this is the general equation. The general equation is ax squared plus bx plus c. I can write my question by saying equals to y, then the general equation is equals to 0. Looking at this, let me compare my question and the general equation together. I can say y has tend to become what? 0. So I don't need y anymore. So comparing my question and the general equation, let's look at it. If I'm to compare, the coefficient of x squared here will be 1. It is not shown because I know 1 times x squared will give me x squared. And the coefficient of x squared here is a. So I can say a is equals to 1. Also comparing this, my x term, the coefficient of x here is 2 and the coefficient of x here is b. I can say my b equals to 2. Now my constant is the term without x. So my constant here is c, my constant here is 3, but I need to take note of the sign. If c is positive and this is negative, so my c will be minus 3. Don't forget, in my general equation it is plus, but in my question it is minus, so I need to take note of it. So I will have to pick this minus. Now coming to the solution, this is what we are going to use to get our answer. So coming to x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. All these that I've gotten here, I will put into this part. So x equals to minus, what's my b? Minus 2 plus or minus square root of, what's my b? Minus 2 squared minus, let me open a bracket here because this negative sign affects everyone here. So opening my bracket, I have 4 times what's a? A is 1 times what? C? C is minus 3. Are we together? Then all over 2 times what's my a? 1. So x equals to minus 2 plus or minus square root. Minus 2 square means minus 2 times minus 2. Minus 2 times minus 2 will give me 4, because minus times minus is plus, 2 times 2 is 4. Minus, open your brackets, 4 times 1 is 4 times minus 3 will give me minus 12. Are we together? Over 2 times 1 is 2. Still solving, I have minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4. Minus times minus, because bracket is multiplication. Minus times minus is what? Plus. Then I bring out my 12 over 2 equals minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 plus 12 will give me 16 over 2. So let's continue. Minus 2 plus or minus square root of 16 is 4 over 2. Are we together? Square root of 16 is 4. So because of this plus or minus, I need to solve this expression separately. So I'll say x equals to minus 2 plus 4 over 2, or minus 2, I'll pick the negative, minus 4 over 2. So x equals to minus 2 plus 4 will give me positive 2. That's 2 over 2. Or minus 2 minus 4 will give me negative 6. That's minus 6 over 2. So x equals 2 divided by 2 is 1. Or minus 6 divided by 2 will give me minus 3. And that is our final answer. If you remember previously, this is also what we got when we made use of factorization method. Please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, kindly share, follow,